In a glowing enchanted forest, a small blue creature with golden markings walks quietly along a shimmering riverside. Soft rain falls through the tall trees, filling the air with a gentle, calming rhythm as it gazes into the water. A group of silver-blue butterflies emerges from the mist, their wings sparkling like tiny crystals in the rain. Curious and excited, the little creature follows them, hopping from mossy stone to stone, leaving faint golden footprints behind. One butterfly lands softly on its nose, making it freeze in wonder. In that simple moment under the rain, beside the river, it discovers pure, magical joy.